Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update Windows on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. To update Windows on your laptop, you're going to have to open the Start menu first, then go to Settings. In Settings menu, select Windows Update on the sidebar. Then make sure that you are connected to the internet. So make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. And then click Check for Updates to let your laptop find any available updates out there on the internet. And also check the advanced options, as here we will find more updates, especially firmware driver updates. Just go to the optional updates right here, and you will find all the additional updates you can install on your computer. So just hit the checkbox next to the update that you want to install, click download and install. Now, Windows updates that are stored here are usually optional ones, so you don't need to install them all unless you want a preview update installed on your computer. But if you want to, you can download them too. And once your laptop finds an available update, it will start downloading it. And after the update is downloaded, it will be either set to complete, and if the status right here says complete, then this means that the update is fully installed and applied to your system. But if you see the restart pending, then you will have to restart your device after installing this update. And you can do this by clicking restart right here, or you can do this through the Start menu by going to Power Options and selecting Restart. So yeah, basically right now we just have to wait until this update is downloaded and then installed, and then if something like this happens, just retry an update. Sometimes it will take you a couple of attempts, sometimes for some reason, maybe because of some outages on Microsoft servers, you will not be able to install some update, or some other updates also require previous updates to be installed on your computer. Yeah, but that's basically it. Right now we just have to wait until the update is downloaded, then installed, and then either restart our computer if we are notified about it, or just keep using it. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.